If you've ever struggled to find a bra that fits and thought, I can make my own, or maybe you already sew garments or quilts and you want to sew something a little bit different, whatever the case, you are in the right place. Hi, I'm Maddie from Madalynne Intimates, and we do everything DIY lingerie as well as swimwear, activewear, and corsets. We are known for our DIY kits and book Sew Lingerie, which I will get into in this video, but we also offer retreats, classes, and workshops, as well as lingerie sewing patterns, both Madalynne patterns as well as patterns with simplicity. You can also find us on social media, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Patreon as well. So your creative juices are going and you're like, yes, I want to start sewing lingerie, but where do I start? Bra making sounds intimidating, but with the right tools and patterns, it's actually really easy. Just as a reference, a simple bralette, now simple, can take 1 to 2 hours to cut and sew. A panty, 45 minutes. That's less than an hour. It can be an easy and quick sewing project that's super fulfilling, especially if you have like a really long sewing project that you're doing. You're like, I need to take a step back and I just need like a quick and easy fulfilling thing to get like my creative juices going again so that I can go back to this long sewing project. We've all been there. Bra making lingerie is a perfect project for that. But before I get into like my recommendations and where I think that you should start or suggestions, I first want to kind of give you a background about why I started sewing lingerie. So I started sewing lingerie, oh my God, I'm going to show off my age here, more than a decade ago. I would say 13, 14 years ago. And I started sewing lingerie because I was a sewer. I had a full-time corporate job that likes to say that it was from 9 to 5, but it really was from like 8 to 7 and spilled over onto the weekends. So on the weekends, I really only had a day, maybe an afternoon, because, you know, adulting happens and you have to do chores and laundry and grocery shop and finance and all that stuff. But actually the time that you have to sew is just like a couple of hours. I also lived in a really small apartment. It's like 400 square feet. So I didn't have much room. So I couldn't move anything because there was nowhere to move it. So I could cut out a project on my kitchen counter, or what I like to call my dining room table, and cut out a project and sew it in that same afternoon. Again, so fulfilling. So one last thing before I get into my recommendations and suggestions on where you should start. This video is definitely going to be very heavy on products that we offer, DIY kits as well as our book, but I'm also going to call out some other bra makers and sew shops that I genuinely love and I think are great resources. So let's go over patterns. The first pattern that I would say the first patterns that I'm going to suggest are from my book, Sew Lingerie. So $34 for this book. You might be thinking like, wow, that's kind of like expensive for a book. But the fact that you get 11 patterns included, bras, panties, bodysuits, swimwear, activewear, plus an entire book with all the instructions as well as with fabrics, elastics, that to me is a deal. And the way that this book is formatted is that it starts off with beginner lingerie projects, panties being the example. You have the Barker panty, you have the Millie panty, and you have the Ross panty. All super beginner friendly projects. Then it moves on to bras, and then activewear and swimwear, and then bodysuits. So the skills kind of build on each other, but I think it's a great place to start. And something I'm going to get into later in this video, but I think that a DIY kit that comes with all the fabric and elastics is so helpful, especially for new bra makers, because when you are shopping online, you really don't know what picot elastic is, fold over elastic, wide band elastic, shoulder strap elastic. If they're out of shoulder strap elastic, can I use picot elastic? If they're out of picot elastic, can I use fold over elastic? So the kits kind of like take away all of that confusion that can happen when trying to source things separately. It also comes with coordinating colors, which I know that bra makers and just being a sewist in general, you're like, I want to buy everything separately because I know I can do it. I promise you, start with a DIY kit. It's going to be so much easier. Some other patterns I think are great for beginners is Emerald Erin's Geordie Bralette. Super simple, so versatile, but I think it's a great place to start. Another one is Porcelynne Supplies bra. Really beginner friendly. Bra Maker Supply also has a great pattern. Their Sweet 16 bralette. Again, a great place to start. And you might be thinking, wait, but I really want to start with an underwire bra. I would highly recommend starting off with a bralette or a panty, even if it's just practice and you don't wear it, because it's going to get you familiarized with sewing stretch fabric, sewing elastics. Shopping for supplies as well as patterns. Obviously, Madalynne carries both patterns as well as fabrics, elastics, DIY kits. But some other great bra making companies are Porcelynne, Erin, Lily Pot Designs, and Bra Builders. Erin is based in Canada. Lily Pot, Bra Builders, and Porcelynne, as well as Madalynne, are based in the US. So just know that if you are in the US and buying from Erin, there's going to be international shipping and vice versa. Classes to get you started. So you've got your kits, or you've got your fabrics, you've got your supplies, or whatever. Some great classes that I would really recommend for a new bra maker. Obviously, Madalynne has Intro to Sewing Lingerie for Beginners, which goes over how to make the Brooklyn bralette or the Barrett bralette, which the Brooklyn bralette from Sew Lingerie was based off of the Barrett bralette. So you can use that class to sew both patterns. Porcelynne Supplies also has some bra making classes on their website, and I know that Lily Paw does some really fantastic sew-alongs for their bra patterns. So DIY kits. Again, I think this is so helpful for new bra makers, because knowing the difference between plush versus flat versus shiny versus picot can be really overwhelming, especially when a lot of bra patterns take like between 3, 4, 5 different types of elastics. Buying a kit at the beginning is going to familiarize yourself with those elastics. Also, you're going to get the right amounts. So in a panty, usually it takes about 3 yards of elastic, whereas a bra, 1 to 2. Shoulder strap elastic, between 1 to 2 yards. But as a new bra maker, you don't know those quantities. So getting a DIY kit with all the different types of elastics is really going to familiarize yourself with those types of elastics and get you better understanding which type of elastics are used where. So those are my quick tips, resources, recommendations if you are thinking or have made the decision to jump into DIY lingerie. Any suggestions that you have, let's just say that you've made lingerie before and you found so-and-so very helpful, please put them in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and why not share it?